In this video, I'll show you how to add a file embed to your Wix Studio website. It's going to be completely free of charge without any credit card needed, and to get started, I have added a link in the description that you need to follow, so do make sure to click that to follow along for this tutorial. As you can see, there are a couple different templates to choose from, and you can customize every single one of them to match your branding, and even see how the different features work by clicking around on the widget. Now, if you haven't already, the first thing you're going to do is click the link in the description below. You can simply copy and paste the link right into your search bar, or what you could also do is search for Elf site. Now that's going to bring you to this website where you're going to go to the top menu and hover over widgets. From here, you want to go to the tools section, and down below you will find file embed. Simply click on that so we can get started. Next, you want to click on the pink button that says Create Widget for Free. Now that's going to take us down to the template builder where we can start designing our widget. To expand the window, simply press on F11, and what you could also do is on the right corner of the window, click on the expand arrows. Now the first step here is to choose a template that's close to where you're looking for. It doesn't have to be perfect because you'll be able to customize the design, layout, colors, and more later on if you want to match your branding or similar. Just pick the one that's closest to where you're looking for now, and for this demo, I will go ahead with this option. Now you'll be taken to the page where you could start customizing your widget. At the left-hand side, we have about 3 options, and the first step here is to add your file. On the content section, you want to click on the Add File button below, and in here you can upload a file or add file by link. What you could also do is change your widget title here above. You can simply highlight and delete the whole text, and you can change how you want the title to be. Below, what you could also do is drag and then arrange them in a specific order that you want it to be. And on the right hand side of each and every file, you want to click on the 3 dots for actions. In here, you can edit, duplicate, or delete. If we click on edit on one file, as you can see, if you added your file on the right hand side, you can add a date, a name, as well as change the preview image. On the layout section, we can change our layout from a file viewer, a grid, or a list. On the preview image, we can even change the size from 25 up to 200 pixels. And on the download settings, what we can do in here is show the download link as well as change how you want the link text to be. On the appearance section, this is where we can change the colors as well as the fonts. If you head over to colors, in here we can change the color of the widget title, the name, the download link, the background, as well as the file background. We can also change the font if that is something that you want to do. Now, once you're ready to add your widget to your website, go ahead and click on Add to Website for Free button in the bottom left corner. From here, your screen will open up in a new window where you need to either sign up or log in into Elf site if you don't already have an account. Once you've done that, you should end up on a similar page as to what I'm showing on my screen in just a second. This is essentially the exact same template builder, so if you're done customizing your design, you don't need to do anything here. Just go up to the top and right corner and click on the big green Publish button. From here, you'll be taken to this page where you need to choose your plan, and because it is completely free of charge, like I mentioned at the start of the video, just go ahead and select the $0 a month plan on the very left by clicking on the gray Select button. Once you've done that, you'll end up on this page, and from here, just go ahead and click on Copy Code on the right-hand side. And now it's time to head back to our Wix Studio Website Designer. Once you're on your Wix Studio Website Designer, the first step here is to decide which section you want to add your widget to. I want to add a new section, and to do that, you want to hover your mouse in between 2 sections, and then click on Add Section. Below, you want to choose Add an Element as your starting point. On the left-hand side, you want to hover your mouse until you see Embed and Social. Simply click, and under Embed Code, you want to go to the right-hand side and click on the plus sign to add to site. From here, you want to go to the top and click on Enter Code, and the first step here is to remove anything that is in here. We want to work on a blank slate. Now, once you've removed everything, just simply press on Ctrl V to paste the code, and once that's done, you want to head over to the bottom and click on Update so we can preview the changes. Now, you should see your widget, and what you need to do is expand. So on the corners of the frame, you will see these circles. Simply hold and then drag in order for you to expand the widget. I want to expand it in a way as if it was taking up the whole section. One thing that I want to add is how you can change the font of the widget without going back to Elf site. I have here a personalized code that I have shared with you in the description of this video. Simply head over to code to customize text, highlight the start until the end of the code, right click and then click on copy. Now head over back to Wix Studio, and in here, you just want to click on the widget and then click on edit code. On the left hand side, you just want to press Ctrl V to paste the code. Now, under font family, this is where you can adjust a few things. You can change the font that I have added in here into how you want it to be. Once you're done, simply click on the update button so we can preview the changes. As you can see, I have changed the font of the widget without going back to Elf site. Now, the next step is to preview the site, so simply go to the top bar and on the right hand side, click on the eye to preview. And as you can see, we now have a file embed on our Wix Studio website. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.